Hello, my lovelies. Today is my day off actually, and I had to swing in and do some work because you always work as a business owner. So it's a day off, but I had to give like 2 hours of my day. Gotta return some emails, collect some money, and then when I came into the studio, look what I found. It's my BoxyCharm, and I'm pretty sure it's BoxyLuxe, which you know is my favorite. And that was silly. Anyways, let's get this open because again, it's my day off and I want to go home and play. Actually, I don't get to go home and play. I'm getting braces on this afternoon. So I'm excited about it, nervous about it because, well, I'm old. Um, well, okay, it's not really an age thing, so I'm not embarrassed to wear braces. Most people would be like, "You're 42. Why are you getting braces?" But the thing is I have crooked teeth. They're not horrible. Down here, they're a little crowded, and I'm starting to see wear in places that they're fine now, and I don't have a lot of issues. But as I get older, there's going to be more issues. So it's like, spend the money and the time now and save a lot of pain and issue when I'm an old woman. And I want to have all my teeth when I'm 90. So I'm getting braces this afternoon. So this may be the last time you see the smile, unless I post like an old video I recorded a while ago and just haven't uploaded yet. But anyways, so that is what I get to do on my day off, and I love the fact that I get to start it with a BoxyCharm. I'm so happy. Okay, today, BoxyCharm. Actually, this may be just a basic BoxyCharm because it just says BoxyCharm in the box. So usually, if it's a BoxyLuxe, it says BoxyLuxe. So this is BoxyCharms. We get a glow cleansing butter, a blush by NARS, a brow styler pencil and powder duo, a lip serum. Nice, I need that. Moxie Lash, a Revive Body Gel, a face cream, and hand wash. We don't have any giant, well, there's actually, this I think is BoxyLuxe because there's a one item in here for $122. So pretty sure this is BoxyLuxe. Don't know why it's not saying BoxyLuxe, but I think it's my BoxyLuxe. Okay, let's get in here. So starting off, ooh, Moxie Lash. It's a little kit. So it has a nice little mesh bag. I really like mesh bags for my kit because it's easy to clean and get the bacteria and then crap out of them. And this one is a little lash set. See, this is a nice bag. Okay, yes, I'm thrilled about the little mesh bag, but look, it stands so nicely. I can put like sponges or skin products or just whatever I want to fit in my kit because this is good. I like it. So in this, we have a Moxie Lash Mini Liquid Magnetic Liner. Sweet. One pair of magnetic lashes. This is great. You guys are going to get a video of me trying to do magnetic lashes because I have not wanted to do those because, for one, I have a friend, she's my business manager. She actually does lash extensions for a living, and she's played around with the magnetic lashes. And she's like, and she can never get it as close as you need to for natural looks. I think if you had like giant thick eyeliner or really dramatic looks, you don't need to be as close to your lash line. So I'm excited though, because now I get to try for myself, and it's not that, well, mostly I'm lazy, and so I don't go out and buy a bunch of stuff to try out because I'm trying to run the school and I'm doing the bridal, and I also have a personal life, a very small personal life, but still trying to have a personal life. So I don't always have time to like try everything. So I'm really happy because now I have no excuses, right? I don't have an excuse to not do this. So this is great. So yeah, a full set pair of lashes, 30 reusable all day wears, they say. And it comes with the liner, the magnetic liner, and then a little how-to. So I'm going to put that back in the little bag. And then a pre-moistened olive and castor oil cotton swabs for removal of the magnetic liner, which is nice. Ingredients, they don't say. I think it's just olive oil and castor oil, which is good because that's very nice for sensitive skin. You know me, I'm allergic to everything. So a remover, lashes, and liner. And we are gonna try this. Okay, cool. So far, I'm really happy with this box. So happy with the box. Okay. And then we have by Aromatherapy Associates, we have a Revive Body Gel and Energize and Awaken. And that is going to be nice to take in the shower. Can I use this? Maybe. So it's got water, rosemary, and grapefruits, mandarin orange. It's got eucalyptus. It's so sad to be like me. Well, my little sister is going to really enjoy this in her shower. I'm so sad I can't use it. Maybe I can use other stuff. Okay. This one, NARS Cosmetics. I like NARS. I've always really enjoyed their products. They're a good line. I do enjoy them, so I'm happy to see a NARS in here. And this is a blush, and it's called Orgasm. Oh, Orgasm is a good color. Yes, Orgasm. That is a fabulous color. That is gonna be for personal use, maybe. I don't know. I really like it. It probably will end up in my kit because, to tell you the truth, I don't do blush on myself very often because I'm quite ruddy and there's no point in adding extra pink when I'm going to be magenta half the day anyways. So, very excited about that. I'm going to enjoy this. See? 2 for 3 so far, doing really good. 2 out of 3 is not bad. Okay, and then we have by Avant. It's a hyaluronic lactic vitamin B3 mint glycerin collagen isoparaffin benzoic caprylyl glycol tropolone hexadenal. Anyways, it's an anti-age Nutra Revive hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. So it looks like with the ingredients listed right on the front that I'm good to go as far as using it. Possibly. Okay, double check the ingredients because you gotta do that. And nice to see I'm not seeing any of the FOSS. If any of you have been paying attention, cosmetics have just been revealed that they have carcinogens in them. They're doing like things that you don't really need in it, and so you can tell by looking at the ingredients, but not all brands post it. It's a whole thing. I will probably be doing a video on it later once I kind of go through my kit and do a little more research because I'm not going to just jump off and be like, because that would not be really good. But this is great. I am really going to try this lip serum on myself. My lips tend to stay kind of dehydrated. I do try to drink a lot of water, but I take antihistamines and just in general, lips get dehydrated. So I'm going to see how it works on myself. I would try it right now, but lipstick, So I'm excited to try that. That'll be lovely. I'm probably going to try it with an applicator just in case it doesn't work for me. I can give it to it anyway. All right, so next we have a Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science. Say I love you with pride. It's a triple antioxidant face cream. It's mosquito. This one is to help prevent signs of aging. Look, we're all going to age, but let's do it gracefully. Let's see. Can I use this? No. Guess what? Third ingredient, aloe vera. Go away. I'm not crazy. There's mosquitoes. So my little sister in Alaska will get this one. So I have 2 little sisters. One of them here and one of them in Alaska. The one in Alaska is going to get this one. And my little sister who is here is going to get this one. So they all feel like I love them. All right. Next we have by Elemis. It's Superfood AHA Aha Glow Cleansing Butter. It's Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser. This is nice. It says it's got pumpkin, cherry, and mango butter. It's kind of nice. I like that. Let me see. Can I? Where are your ingredients? There we go. Please tell me I can have the face food. Water, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. There's mango. Oils, cherry, pumpkin, rice. Can I do that? Sunflower seed oil, fruit oil, rosemary. I can have the face food. This makes me happy. So it's a cleansing butter, and you massage it into your dry skin, and then you rinse your face with it. And that is to clean and moisturize and give your skin healthy, glowy. I love good skincare stuff. I'm so excited. I get to keep it for myself. All right, next we have Brow Styler. This one is Benefit Cosmetics. It's their brow styler. It's a warm medium brown, which should work for me because of my brown hair that is starting to go gray at the temples. It looks good. It kind of looks like I got sparkles through my hair. I'm like looking all fancy. Leveling up, baby. Leveling up. Okay, so this is a Brow Magic. Gives you some tips and tricks inside of here. This is what it looks like. So right here is the dip applicator. And it's, you can hear, it's got little beads in it. Shake it up and apply it. And then up here, we have more of a pencil. So I think maybe one side. Okay, so this is a powder to go over the pencil and the crayon. So I'm going to have to check that out on myself at home. Let's see if I can do it today. I mean, I already did do my eyebrows, but I should not take off my eyeglasses to try this. Boom, 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 boom. So I normally use a brow mascara. Oh, that looks nice. It's a good color. I don't think it's too dark for me. I have to be careful because I generally use like a really light brown or a dark blonde for my eyebrows, because if I go too dark, then I look like Groucho Marx. And yes, most of you too young to know who Groucho Marx is, which really sucks because it's a great example of crazy eyebrows. But no one does it. Sorry, this video is just filled with rants and tangents. And I haven't even had much caffeine. I only drink like 3 sips of my coffee. So, all right. So I don't want marker brows, and so sometimes if the colors are too dark, I look like I have marker brows and like I've taken a Sharpie to me, and I don't really appreciate that look. Let's see if I can keep the glasses on and not get in the way. Let's get a little more of an arch right here. Let's see how this wears, shall we? Okay, my brows are looking pretty fierce. All right, so that is the pencil side of the crayon, and then you flip it over to the powder. Oh, okay, them gonna look like really dark. I'm definitely gonna have a little more of a bold brow today, which I had a very natural makeup look going. Well, not super natural. It's pretty natural. I mean, I don't have any eyeliner or anything or foundation, so you could use them together as I am doing, or you could use just the powder, or just the crayon. It's really up to you. I think for long wear, you would do best using just the powder. For hot and sweaty days like we've been having in Sacramento for the past week, where we've been well over 100, I would do just the powder because that's not going to sweat off. On normal days, you can do, the pencil and then the powder over it. I'm not sure. I mean, is the powder in the bottom? I think the powder's in the bottom. But I think it makes noises, so I don't know. This is just a very long rambling video, and you're probably gonna stop watching it like 5 seconds after I started. Alright, so those are my eyebrows. Damn, those look a little, those looking a little bold. Bold is fine. Bold is fine. I'm not saying bold is bad. Let's see what it looks like up close. Oh, it looks good. A little darker and bolder than I normally do. But I got some really nice brows today. Thank you, Lettuce. But yeah, they're a little darker than I do them. So I think I applied them a little liberally. So, alright, but I am excited about that. So that is the benefits. It's the medium brown, the 3.75 of the Brow Styler. I do like how it's like powder and pencil all together, and it's a waterproof wax pencil. I'm digging it. It has 18-hour wear, it says. We shall see. Alright, last but not least, and the whole thing is Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. It's got wood pine, woodland mint, and rosemary, and this will also make a lovely gift to my family because I can't do pine. So the perfumes have pine in them because they don't actually have pine in it, but the perfumes have pine in it. It's like an essence or whatever, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. So this will also make a lovely gift because it's pine and mint. And mint I can do, rosemary I can do, pine I cannot. So there you have it. This is my BoxyLuxe for today. And I'm actually happy with a lot of these products. I also have some nice gifts to pass on. And I'm really excited about the face cleanser. And I'm really excited to try the magnetic lashes. So I'm really happy with my looks this month. So let me know what you guys got in yours. If there's any videos you specifically want to see, drop a comment and let me know. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!